Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
Well, good morning, everybody, and happy Tuesday. Also, happy new month of June. Maybe we can start to find some of those afternoon showers to help out those thirsty lawns, gardens, and greens. The 24-hour temperature cast still wants to get those numbers up to around 90. I think we could find some lower 90s this afternoon, so be ready for a little bit warmer and a little bit more muggy out there. We did notice some of that hotter temperatures come back to the area yesterday, although we had some pretty cool starts the past couple of mornings. I think we'll have a few spots lucky enough to get some of that cooler beginning set up before the warmer and the more muggy takes over everywhere. The best rain chances are way out west. That's where they're going to stay. Our setup for these next couple of days is going to be about that transition to more typical June-like weather, and that is going to likely mean warmer morning starting temperatures, pretty warm daytime highs, and a lot more humidity from start to finish. Nice to see 56 in Valdosta, 63 in Thomasville. A little warmer in Tallahassee where it's 67. To the north and especially to the east, that's where we have some of that drier air in place. Only 61 in Moultrie, 62 in Madison. Live Oak's at 59 degrees, same in Tifton. But I see 69 at Wakulla, 64 at Quincy, 69 at Mariana, and it's 77 at Apalachicola this morning, so a muggy start down near the coast. The breeze today will be coming in mainly from the east. There's enough of a breeze to stir things up where even as we slowly increase the moisture a little bit, not too much fog out there. I don't expect fog to be a major factor, not today or tomorrow, but maybe later on this week we'll start to get some more of those areas with the more reduced visibilities. Some of this energy to our west trying to advance east is likely going to go around the southeast. We still have higher pressure as our big weather player, but what's happening is we're starting to change that whole column of air, bringing in more and more of that humidity, and when we get that, now we start to get those better chances for the afternoon sea breeze induced showers. Now these are not the ones that we can watch a big area move from west to east across the Gulf Coast and estimate that it'll be here, between 4 o'clock and 6 o'clock on Thursday. That's not how these work. These have to do with where these little boundaries and interactions bang into each other and generate that lift that we need for those showers. And they just sort of pop up wherever they feel like it. Now, once they start initiating, now we can track them from there, but it's likely not going to be until that day, that afternoon, that half hour that we can figure out where those showers are and where they're headed. So please keep checking in with us, especially later on this week when we start to hopefully generate some of those showers. FUTURECAST wants to find a little activity out to our west this morning. I think our better chances maybe today, tomorrow will be in some western areas, but maybe for the second half of this week, that sea breeze is going to try. And if it does, a few scattered showers will go a long way to help out those thirsty lawns, gardens, and greens. All quiet out there in the tropics. That's the way we like to see it. Looks like it's going to stay that way for the beginning here of the Atlantic hurricane season. We've got our eyes on it for you. Small crafts, use some caution. A little breezy out there today. Winds out of the southeast first, then more like west and northwest later on, up to about 18 knots. The high tides begin a little before 8:30 this morning. 60s and 70s with maybe a little bit of patchy fog. I think it's going to be low 90s this afternoon. I'll put the rain chances around 20%. Not expecting very many showers, but we could get a couple. How about upper 60s tonight? Less cool, less dry, less comfortable across the board. And for the next couple of days, it's still numbers that start with a 9. Hopefully those sea breeze showers get here and get doing their thing by Friday, and that might be able to drop those temperatures a little bit as we up those rain chances a little bit.